Alright, here's the first video on how to set up the horror comic book cover summary in your portfolio. So what you're going to do is open up Photoshop. You're going to create a new document for print. The size is 10 by 5.63. We're going to create. Now the first thing we want to do is make sure that we have our rulers. So we're going to go View, Show Rulers. Alright, here's our rulers. If for some reason that you're not showing inches, you can go into the Preferences, Units and Rulers, or I should say, Units and Rulers, change it to inches. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is create new guides. You want to create vertical guides and horizontal guides. Alright, the first new view, new guide, vertical, 0.25. First one. View, new guide. We want it to be from the right hand side of the screen. Over here, a 1/4 inch. So we want to go 9.75. 9.75. There's our new guide there. Alright, now we're going to do our horizontal. View, new guide, horizontal, 0.25. Okay, and then we took the 5.63, subtracted 0.25, view, new guide, 5.38. And there's our new guide, and it's equally spaced. Now, what you then need to do is you need to open up your file of your haunted house cover. Make sure you can see your layers. Drag that layer over. Resize it. Make sure it's locked. And the alignment is more vertical than horizontal. So I want you to place that up against your guidelines and center it. That's the first step that you want to do in your portfolio that includes the horror comic covers. And I'm going to pause this recording, help students do this, and then we'll go on to the next step.